Meet Roger Brown. Roger is a hard-working family man. He's happily married to Lisa and they live in Manly with their 2 kids. Roger started his own dental practice 25 years ago. Through his dedication, he managed to build a successful business that he can be proud of. Roger is about to turn 60. One of his key employees offered to buy his business. Roger is excited because he knows that he's about to reap the rewards of his hard work. He can finally retire. Roger and Lisa are feeling a little bit in the woods. They know they'll be coming into a huge amount of capital, so they need to get serious about planning for their future. Roger and Lisa decide to meet with their current financial advisor at the bank. Their advisor offers them a variety of product options, but none of them offer the peace of mind Roger and Lisa are hoping for. It feels like the same guy in the same suit peddling vanilla asset allocation strategy. It leaves them more confused. Roger meets up with an old friend, a business owner like himself. John, who sold his business a few years ago, was in the same boat as Roger is now. The only difference is John was very confident with his financial plan. He had a good relationship with his financial planner and trusted the strategic advice he was given and felt that the team at Beresford's Financial Planning genuinely cared. Roger really valued John's opinion and was intrigued by John's confidence and security with the plan that his financial advisor created for him. Roger decides to take up John's recommendation and go and see Beresford's Financial Planning. Roger and Lisa meet with 2 senior advisors, Stephen and Rhonda. Both Roger and Lisa are comfortable in sharing their fears and concerns, especially regarding their financial security for the future. The advisors listened and were able to analyze their financial position. Partnering together, they were able to create a tailored plan that gave Roger and Lisa clarity and the peace of mind that they were searching for. Beresford's Financial Planning is a privately owned, fee-for-service, family-run business. Roger and Lisa felt that the culture was more about assisting families and helping people have their best life experience. Stephen and Rhonda walked them through the process, and they were able to implement the financial goals for Roger and Lisa's long-term future. The advisors guided them towards understanding investment strategy options and the different courses of action. Roger and Lisa decided that Beresford's Financial Planning would definitely be able to add more value and tailored advice to their retirement plan than their current advisor. They could picture a deeper and longer relationship with Stephen and Rhonda. Finally, Roger and Lisa were on their way to forward-looking financial planning, which is what they really wanted and needed. The team at Beresford's were transparent and open with Roger and Lisa in discussing their fee schedule, which was void of how much money they had to invest. What's more, the annual planning retainer fee is 100% tax deductible. Roger and Lisa walked out of that first meeting feeling really good about their financial future and moving forward with a team of professionals at Beresford's. Roger and Lisa could finally focus on their family and live their best life experience, thanks to Beresford's.